Myself, Ankita Tiwari, from LG Institute of Engineering and Technology, from IT department. I am going to take a session from the subject, that is cybercrimes and mitigation. Subject code is 3163-213. The module that we are going to cover is module number 4. Module name is Operating System Security and Privacy. The topic that we are going to cover in this session is OS privacy, that is Operating System Privacy and Tracking. So basically, how the OS provides privacy, how it provides tracking. Now, tracking means the log file, the system files, the system generated automatically where we are accessing the OS and how it goes into the system. So this is what the tracking is, how it provides, how we can use the feature, how it is, how much it is helpful. So these things we are going to study in this session. Starting with OS privacy and tracking. Initially, privacy is what? It is built in from the beginning, from the moment you open your new device to every time for use of an app. Whenever you are opening your system, and in that, whenever you open any app, so from there your privacy starts. Okay, now here are the few things that to know about even more secure. The settings have been carefully designed to put you in control of your data. So this is the first point, that we need to have a control of it. You can adjust what information is shared, where you can share it, and when it is to be backed up. So that thing you have to do by your own. System will tell you to do that, but you have to do for your own. So settings have been carefully designed for the OS privacy, so that you can adjust your information which is shared, and also where to share it and when it is to be backed up. So this is what the things are that we need to have in mind. But with respect to that, here the security comes. The computer security comes with the feature of privacy. Okay, means if we need to have a privacy, we need to have a security. Security is provided by these many things. We already know firewall, we already know antivirus, we already know passwords, we already know email scans. So basically we are knowing these things, and this is how the security is provided to your system. Now with respect to this only, we need to have an access of it, how it is useful. So how to protect your privacy? The first word comes in our mind. So the first, in that we have different options. The security features are already given. We need to have a control on it. How? So turn off ad tracking. First of all, you have to turn off the ad tracking. Ad means advertisement tracking, which is already there. Advertisement basically grabs all the information which is there into your system. So basically when it when advertisement comes, it basically takes all the data from your system. So at the top of many people privacy concern is what data is being gathered about them as they browse the web. So whenever they browse the web, there will be a history which is already stored in the cookie sessions. So basically we need to have a look on it, what the data is being gathered about them. Okay, so that information creates a profile of a person interest, because when you have an interest, then only then you would have browse the history. So basically when you are sitting at a location, you are having an access of a website, then there will be a log files which is creating of your different search options that you are searching for. So that is used by the variety of companies to target ads, because whenever you are searching some websites with your preferences, means you need to watch on it. So basically depending on that, a person's profile is being created. Now with that, many companies targets the profiles of the users, and then to target the ads, different ads, okay, advertisements. So Windows 10, here we are giving an example of Windows 10 only. So Windows 10 does this with the use of an option of advertising ID. Okay, so this is one option which is available in Windows 10, so that the person can get the information about it. So the ID doesn't just gather the information about you when you browse the web, but also when you use Windows 10 apps. So this is basically for Windows 10, and we have this option in all the Windows forms also with different categories. So here the ID doesn't only just gather the information about you. No, when you browse the web, also it will be Like also when you use the Windows 10 apps, then also the information will be gathered. This is what the most important point we need to have. Okay, now with respect to that, we are having an example also. You can turn that advertising ID off if you want. Now, here I am giving an example of Windows 10 only. So, launch the Windows 10 settings app. Okay, by clicking on the start button on the lower left corner of your screen, and then clicking the settings icon, which looks like a gear, and go to the privacy, and from privacy go to the general category. Now, there will be a list of choices under the title change privacy options. So the first controls the advertising ID. In that we have the first control, that is advertising ID. Okay. Now how we have to go? We have to go into the Windows 10 settings app. Click on the start button on the lower left corner, and from that we need to have the settings. Click on the settings icon. Now settings, in that we have privacy, and in that privacy we have general. In general we have change privacy options. Is a list, there will be a choice of list, and in that the first control will be the advertising ID. So this is how it goes. Okay, then this is the example of it. As you can see here, general. Okay, in general we have the option of privacy. Okay, and we are having it. And with respect to that, we have to off it. The first advertisement ID, that is off. Okay, then we are offing it. The privacy, the ID will, the ID tracking will be stopped. Means the advertisement who was taking a watch on it, watch on you, so that you can get the access to it, that will be stopped. So this thing is provided by the OS itself as a security. Okay. Now with respect to that, we have another option also. Turn off location tracking. Okay. So whenever you go, location tracking, not advertisement tracking. Okay. Location tracking. Whenever you go, Windows 10 knows you are there. Means wherever you are. Some people don't mind this. Means we don't. Especially if I go somewhere, I don't mind it. So this is because it helps the operating system give you relevant information, such as your local weather. Okay, means the what will be the weather where you are standing. Okay, what restaurants are nearby, and so on. Because these many things are provided by the Windows option, so we are not bothering about it. Okay, but sometimes it becomes very crucial. Okay, these informations are very crucial. Now, with respect to, if you don't want Windows 10 to track your location, if you don't want it because you are at somewhere privacy, or you don't want others to let you where you are, so you can tell it to stop. You can tell it the Windows to stop using your location. How? Launch the settings app. Same thing. You have to go settings app, go to the privacy, go to the location. Underneath of location, we are having allow access to location on this device. This is the option. Click change, and on the screen that appears, move the slider from on to off. When you will do on to off, it will change. Now doing that turns off all the locations tracking from every user on the PC. So basically every user who is there on the PC will have the location turned off and will not see this. So this doesn't have to be all or nothing affair. So you can turn off a location tracking or an app by app basis. Means by app basis. You can also see a list of every app that can use your location, and that also you can see it from the option. So this is what the thing is. From on to off, you have to do it. With respect to location, we are having it. Okay, location is an option in the general category itself, and that we have to off it and to change it, and through change the location will be off and the others will not be able to see. So this is what the thing is with respect to location. Now how to protect your privacy? Turn off timeline. Okay, this is the another option, that is security, that is in terms of security the OS provides. Okay, so timeline lets you review and then resume activities and open files you have started on the Windows 10 PC. Here I am giving an example of Windows 10, as well as other Windows also PC and other devices you have. Okay, so timeline lets you review and then resume activities. Okay, so this is what the thing is. So for an example, you will be able to switch between a desktop and laptop, and from which each machine resume activities you have started on either of the PC. So basically when you able to switch off between a desktop and a laptop and different machines which resume activities, so this is what the thing is. In order to do that, Windows needs to gather information about all your activities on each of your machines. Now if that worries you, like all the information you don't want to gather that information to another any of the machine, then if that worries you, it's easy to turn off your timeline off. Okay, how it will be done? With respect to do so, go to the settings, same thing, privacy, activity history, and uncheck the boxes. Okay, you have to go to the activity history option, and there you have to uncheck the box next to the store my activity history on this device and send my activity history to Microsoft. So the mediator will not be there and the other machines will not get the access to it and will have the options of it. So this is what the thing is. Okay, activity history is already there as an option, and with respect to that you have to turn it off so that other users will not have the access, and that will be directed to Microsoft. Okay, so Microsoft will have the activity history of yours. So this is what the thing is. Another we have as a OS privacy, which is given as change your apps permissions. You know that by default it is stored in C drive in some particular folder by naming it. If you want to change the app settings, that means Windows apps have the potential to invade your privacy. It's very important. So they can have access to your camera, also microphone, also location, also pictures and videos. Now with respect to that, but if you can decide in a very granular way what kind of access each app can have, with respect to that, to do this, if you want to decide it, means don't give everything to the every access to the apps. So we can change it. Go to the settings. In that we will go to the apps. Below apps and features, you will see a list of your installed apps. Okay, click on the app whose permission you want to control, means to whom you have to change it, and then click the advanced option and set the apps permission by toggling them either on or off. List will be there. Now with respect to that list, you can make a change on and off with respect to the different options given. Okay, so this is what where you can change your app permission with respect to OS itself, when the OS gives you these features. Okay, so basically with respect to that, we have an example. These are the different options which is given. Okay, with the apps. Okay, app you have to click it on. Which app you have to give the control of to have to control it, and with respect to that you have many options and you can change it accordingly. So this is what the protection which is given. Another protection which is given as control and delete diagnostic data. Okay, as you use Windows 10, data is gathered about your hardware. And what do you do when you use Windows? Microsoft says that it collects this data as a way of continually improve Windows. Okay, and to offer you customized advice on how to best use Windows. And basically this stores all the information so that the information will be given to you in the form of a meaningful way, so that you can control your or you can customize your device. Okay, now with respect to that, if you are one of them, you can to have a certain extent you can control it. What kind of diagnostic data is gathered about you can have a watch on it, you can have a control on it. To do that, head to settings, privacy, and then diagnostics and feedback. Now in the diagnostic data section, you can choose between the two levels of diagnostic data to be gathered. You can choose it, which data is being gathered, what kind of data is being gathered, and what the thing they are gathering it. So basically you can have a look on it, you have a watch on it, and with respect to that we have like example your diagnostic and feedback. You can have the look on it. With respect to that you can on and off the different options which is given. Okay, these are the different options which is given with respect to the diagnostic and feedback option in the settings part itself. Okay, so this is what the thing is that we need to have a control on it. This is which already there in your OS only. Okay, this is what the things are that the OS privacy is giving you for your benefit, for your things that you need to manipulate, and the privacy which you need to have it in the operating system, also the tracking part. Okay, so thank you. Here we have done till here, and the next session will be going to do in the next presentation. Thank you.